The Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, together with President of India, constitute Parliament of India. Rajya Sabha, or the Council of States, is the second chamber of Indian Parliament. Unlike the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha is not dissolved as a body, but 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years. And as new members joined the upper house, Rajya Sabha Secretariat organized a 2-day interactive program on July 22nd and 28th. The orientation program was inaugurated by Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar. Hello and a very warm welcome viewers. You're watching this special presentation of Sunset TV on the orientation program organized by Rajya Sabha Secretariat for the newly elected and nominated members of the upper house. Experienced members guided them on various aspects of parliamentary procedures. In fact, a beautiful exhibition was also organized on drafting of constitution, on journey of Rajya Sabha, on the stellar contribution of Rajya Sabha to Indian polity. In this edition, we've packed all the highlights for you, so come along. Chairman underscored the paramount role of Parliament in preserving the Constitution and safeguarding democracy. He stressed that members of Parliament are the most serious guardians of democracy, especially in times of crisis when democratic values are under threat. Stressing on the autonomy and authority of Parliament, he said that Parliament is supreme for its procedure, for its proceedings. Any proceeding in the House, in Parliament, is beyond review either of the executive or any other authority.
राजनीतिक दल की भूमिका से आंखें ऊपर नहीं देख सकते। राजनीति का स्थान है, राजनीति करनी होती है, राजनीति करना स्वस्थ प्रजातंत्र के लिए आवश्यक है। पर राष्ट्र से जुड़े मुद्दों को देखकर, राष्ट्र हित को देखकर, राष्ट्रवाद को समर्पित करते हुए there have to be occasions when we have to avoid the political prism. और हमें एक ही लक्ष्य से देखना है, क्या ये भारत के लिए ठीक है, क्या ये भारत की जनता के लिए ठीक है, क्या मेरी भूमिका संविधान के मूल सिद्धांतों के अनुरूप है।
Deputy Chairman Harivansh apprised the members on expectations from MPs for participating in parliamentary proceedings, including parliamentary diplomacy.
माननीय सदस्यों से अपेक्षा होगी कि वे इसी डीजी को अभियान में अपना सहयोग दें, ऑनलाइन प्रक्रियाओं को अपनाएं। माननीय चेयरमैन भी सदन में बार-बार अपील कर चुके हैं। साथ ही हम अपने डिजिटल डिवाइस को साइबर अटैक्स और सर्विलेंस से सुरक्षित रखें। आपका लॉगिन या हमारा लॉगिन सदन की संपत्ति है, इसका अनऑथराइज्ड उपयोग हम न होने दें।
Senior Rajya Sabha member Sasmit Patra spoke to the members on law-making process.
The second phase that comes about drafting stage. अब drafting stage में क्या होता है? Firstly, जो memorandum होता है, जो draft होता है, the bill जो हम कहते हैं, वो draft बनती है through the various ministries, जो ministry उसको pilot कर रहा होता है.
Rajya Sabha member S. Niranjan Reddy apprised the members about parliamentary privileges.
The people who were coming into these legislative assemblies, they also needed to be protected. Like the British Parliament needed to be protected from the British King, the Indian assemblies needed some sort of assurances, some sort of guarantees for ensuring that their functioning is not going to be disturbed. Therefore, those earlier acts, Government of India acts se pehle, there were certain set of rights that were given.
Rajya Sabha member Derek O'Brien spoke to the members about parliamentary devices.
If your notice gets accepted and they call out the notice, you may keep a paper here. Try not to read the whole thing. First few you can read. या पूरा लिख लीजिए. Okay. Actually, you are not supposed to read. So you make some points, but first few you can do. Write your subject and then. और एक 0 hour का important suggestion. 3 minutes के बाद automatically the mic is switched off. Please don't ever allow that to happen. You're standing here, or sitting. Most of you are not in the, maybe in row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So except from the first 2 rows, where we have to look like this and like this, but otherwise the timing is there. जब आप 2 minute 30 second, उस समय आप wrap up कीजिए.
Former member Rakesh Sinha stressed on the role and contribution of Rajya Sabha to Indian polity.
First thing for the member of parliament is not to understand the privileges in the physical terms we get. Privileges, virtual privileges we have. This is very important to understand to strengthen the role and contribution in democracy.
Narayan Das Gupta spoke to the members on ethics in politics and do's and don'ts for the members.
303 में chairman refer an issue of a member of ethical or other misconduct of the committee for review and reporting regardless of the existing rule.
Rajya Sabha member Dr. Fauzia Khan spoke on the relevance of question hour.
क्यों पूछते हैं हम question? The question hour provides members of parliament with the opportunity to perform several key functions. Number 1, eliciting response and seeking information that is not readily available. वो जानकारी जो readily available नहीं है वो हम पूछ सकते हैं. If readily available, अगर है भी, तो it may be too jarring to be brought into public domain.
Senior Rajya Sabha member Tiruchi Siva apprised the members about the committee system of Indian Parliament.
A parliamentary committee consists of members, either appointed or by way of election by the respective houses, or nominated either by the Speaker or the Chairman. The committee works under the direction of the Chairman or the Speaker.
Secretary General of Rajya Sabha, P.C. Modi, presented an overview of Rajya Sabha Secretariat.
How to navigate that, where to find what, how the bills are, list of businesses accessible, or how the documents like questions and the replies to the questions, everything is available there.
Rajat Punhani, Secretary, Rajya Sabha Secretariat, spoke to the members about the allowance, salaries and amenities.
बहुत बार जो है you may not be in your usual place of residence, you may be in some other place, but as of today नियम यही है कि आपको जो usual place of residence से committee meeting या session का जो place है वहीं तक आपको airfare या जो भी entitlement मिलेगा.
Dr. Vandana Kumar, Additional Secretary, Rajya Sabha Secretariat, spoke on familiarization with Rajya Sabha's ceremonies, events and facilities.
Parliamentary diplomacy is a very, very important strand of the Parliament. India being the largest democracy in the world is very much looked up to by the democracies around the world. And in this strand, we engage with parliaments around the world on a bilateral level, at various multilateral fora, and this is something that has been strengthened over the last couple of years.
Dr. Kushal Kumar Pathak, Joint Secretary, Rajya Sabha Secretariat, spoke on technology and cyber security.
What we have done is we had tried to bring in, and we are still in progress of doing so, to bring in all portals into one. So what happens is that there was a debate portal which was separate, there was a video portal which was separate, a member login was separate, the question was separate. So now everything is into one. So you have one home to go, that is member services, where member portal, where you will get all the services at one place. Sir.
Meanwhile, Dr. Saurabh Garg, Secretary, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, spoke to the members about Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme or the MP Lads.
to ensure that works of a development nature are created and durable community assets are created based on locally felt needs. और वो आपकी constituency या जो भी selected area है वहाँ पे implement किया जा सकता है.
The session was highly interactive. Newly elected and nominated members hugely benefited from this meaningful exchange.
विषय को उत्तर देखकर कि मंत्री ने उत्तर क्या दिया है, उसके अनुसार आप कैसे अपने पूरक को समायोजित कर सकते हैं। ये एक एक वाक्य है ना, ये दर्पण की तरीके से हैं कि जब भी हमारे मन मस्तिष्क में विचार आएंगे तो हम इनको सोचेंगे और सोचकर उस प्रकार का आचरण करेंगे।
संसदीय आचरण जो हम करेंगे वो देश देखता है, तो हमारा आचरण एक संयमित होना चाहिए, अध्ययनशील हमें होना चाहिए सांसद के रूप में।
ये राज्यसभा सदन देश का सर्वोच्च सदन है और इस सदन में जो हमारे राज्यसभा माननीय सदस्य हैं वो अपने क्षेत्र की समस्याओं को या फिर देश की समस्याओं को यहाँ पर किस तरह से उठाते हैं, वही उनका जो यश कृति पूरा देश देखेगा।
कैसे हाउस में हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए उस बारे में सब बोलते हैं। सबसे बड़ा बात है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स व्यवस्था कर दिए हैं और सब सिग्नेचर ईमेल सब व्यवस्था कर दिए हैं।
बहुत चीज़ जानना चाहिए पार्लियामेंट के बारे में एवं स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक एक करके सब चीज़ डिटेल्स में बोला जा रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
For fresh MPs, for first term MPs who have come from their states for the first time to Delhi, who are not that well equipped with understanding how the parliamentary system works, how the behind the channels rules and regulations work, and it helps them in becoming better members of parliament.
क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो प्रशिक्षण के माध्यम से नई नई सारी जानकारियाँ प्राप्त हो रही है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
राज्यसभा और लोकसभा ये दोनों ही इस देश की एक उच्च स्थान है और वहाँ पहुँचने पर हमको क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है इस विषय पर निरंतर मन में विचार आते थे और चिंतन भी करते थे।
हम निचले वर्ग तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए काम करना चाहते हैं। ये एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था।
I came from a different world and I did not know ABCD of this world. So there are no textbook for this and there are no teachers. So I feel this is the best thing is orientation. Particularly I learnt a lot about every part of the duties and responsibility of the Rajya Sabha member.
डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है हमारे पास जहाँ अदर जो भी चीज़ें रोल ऑफ एमपीज जितनी भी इथिक्स है या ये चीज़ें प्रिविलेजेस और अच्छी डिटेल बातें हुई और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
All components of this two-day orientation program are very relevant, specific and very helpful.
जो नए नए एमपी है वो राज्यसभा के बारे में उसके शासन में क्या है, कैसी तरह उसको स्पेशल मेंशन करना है, जीरो आवर्स में कैसे जाना है, क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है और सब क्वेश्चन के बारे में डीप में कैसी तरह जाना है वो बहुत ही जानकारी मिलती है।
जो क्षेत्र चला है उसमें भी ऐसे बहुत से नई जानकारी हमें मिली, आज तक हमको इसका कोई पता नहीं था। इस क्षेत्र में आने से हमको तो बहुत से नॉलेज, बहुत से नया नया विषय का समझ आ गया।
जब एक सांसद के लिए इतनी महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेवारियां निभाने का स्थान है तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो आज का ओरिएंटेशन का कार्यक्रम है, प्रशिक्षण का कार्यक्रम है, ये बड़ा अच्छा कार्यक्रम है, ये होना चाहिए।
Parliament of India is committed to continually improving its environmental performance, and the orientation program was also based on the theme of digital and eco-friendly parliament. Giving plants as a gift is a sustainable and environment-friendly idea that not only brings joy to the recipient but also has a positive impact on the environment. A reflection of the same we saw during the orientation program. An exhibition was also organized depicting the journey of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is meant to provide a second look at the legislation passed by the other house. as also to prevent hasty legislation and not to prove a clog either to legislation or administration. Besides, it aims at providing opportunity to the seasoned and eminent persons who have distinguished themselves in diverse fields such as literature, science, art and social service. The Rajya Sabha has been designed to give representation to the states in the apex democratic decision-making body. Members of the Rajya Sabha are expected to be more experienced and learned and less influenced by the ebb and flow of popular opinion. As House of Elders, it holds dignified and quality debates on issues of public importance and legislative proposals to ensure the accountability of the executive to Parliament. As House of Elders, Rajya Sabha gives lead and sets high standards for other democratic bodies to emulate, a sense reiterated during the orientation program.
मर्यादा को नुकसान पहुंचाना लोकतंत्र की जड़ों को गिराना है. There can be no greater danger to democracy than impart an impression that disturbance and disruption are political weapons to score political mileage at the cost of prestige of Parliament and the nation. मेरा आपसे गुजारिश है, आपका आचरण मर्यादित, शिष्टाचार पूर्ण हो. It must connect you all, heart and soul. There must be convergence of thought process. आप लोगों ने कितना सुलभ किया है, आप लोगों के हैंड होल्ड करने के लिए कैसे हमने इंटर्नशिप चालू की है, हर सदस्य को हमने मेल भेजा है, हर सदस्य को अधिकार दिया कि एक व्यक्ति को नामित कर सकता है, उसको हम सघन प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से हमारे वरिष्ठ अधिकारी उनको ज्ञान देते हैं, उनको समझाते हैं कि आप सांसद महोदय और महोदय की कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं. सब हो गया, तो इसको ध्यान से आप उपयोग कीजिए.
Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.